This is a play on a Monte Cristo sandwich. I pre-made some slices of French toast, which are just dipped in a little egg, milk, and vanilla. I'm heating 2 pans, and they should be pans that are big enough to just hold 2 slices of bread. And in this case, French toast. That's gonna be actually the bread for our egg sandwich. So I'm just melting about a tablespoon of butter in each of the 2 skillets. And I have here 5 large eggs, and I'm just pouring about half of the eggs into each of the skillets. Now, in the middle of the eggs, I'm gonna park 2 pieces of French toast. Okay, so we let this cook for a minute or 2 and let the eggs kind of sear and cook a little bit on the bottom. Okay. And you can shake the skillet a little bit just to make sure that the eggs aren't sticking anywhere. That one feels good. This one feels good. Just for a little extra lusciousness, we're gonna spread a little bit of butter right on top of the French toast, because this is gonna get flipped over and become the bottom, or really the outside of the sandwich. I love the sound of butter spreading on French toast. You don't need a lot. Our eggs are pretty cooked. We're gonna go underneath and flip it over.
Okay.
My daughter thinks I'm cool again, guys.
That's good.
Okay, and now this is actually an opportunity to season the eggs a little bit. This is really just a beaten egg with nothing in it. So tiny pinch of salt, because this is now the inside of our sandwich.
Agreed.
And now a little Swiss cheese. I bought some Black Forest ham, so old school. A few pieces of each. 2 pieces of Swiss, a little bit of ham
More
there.
more ham than that.
More ham? All right, more ham, she says.
Don't be skimpy.
She's an armchair quarterback, which I like. Couple pieces of turkey for protein. I know you don't care about turkey, I know. But it's kind of nice in here, don't you think?
It adds a contrast.
And we fold it up. Look at that. How's that look, Aves?
Impressive. I'm impressed.
So here they are, piping hot. I feel like you need to be the judge. I'm gonna let you do the honors. I mean, I feel like, shouldn't they be cut in half?
Well, yes.
And then I have some maple syrup, if you feel like.
I like that.
And I chose Grandma and Grandpa's china.
And Grandpa's towel.
And Grandpa's towel, real boomer things, so that we have old things and new things mixed together.
I
That's how
understand.
you and I are. So you want to cut it in half and just put it on the plate? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Scooch, scooch. Thank you.
Hot in the middle? Yeah. Let's see that. Turn that out before you. Ooh. Yeah. Piping hot. That's the way it should be.
My God.
Yeah, it's a hot sandwich, baby. And then what do you think? Do you put the maple syrup on it?
Yes, I mean, why not?
I like the way you're doing that, very elegantly. I think you're the one that's
It's
gonna
gonna be
go
very
viral.
elegant on your hands.
So, is this a fork and a knifer? I think it is.
No.
You don't want a fork and a knife?
That's so lame.
It's lame. All right, I'm gonna eat it with a fork and a knife, and you're gonna eat it with your hands.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, look at the cheese. Oh, come on, we got a cheese pull apart moment here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. All right, get in there. It better be good. I'm scared. How is it?
Wow, it's great.
It's good?
It's really good.
Are you upset that it's good?
Yeah.
You are.
I'm pissed. This is great. This is very well made.
Isn't the ham, that Black Forest ham?
It goes so great in the turkey and the cheese. I hate Swiss cheese, but this is good.
No, this is a good place.
You actually took the courage to melt it, which most people wouldn't.
Yeah, the kitchen goals is to bring that viral trend and just add a bit of humanity.
Your own twist to it.